Hey guys, Adam here, and today we are going to talk about the Yost Tradesman combination pipe and bench vices. There are 4 different versions of this vise: the 45C, 55C, 65C, and 80C. Those all refer to their jaw length, so the bigger the projects you're working on, the bigger vise you'll need. All of these share the same design and features, just in different sizes. Now let's look at some of those specs. First off, why do we call it a combination vise? Well, you have a set of pipe jaws right here that are designed to hold onto pipe without slipping, but more importantly, without crushing the pipe. If you have ever tried to secure a pipe in a regular straight-jawed vise, then you know why this is so helpful. On the top, you have your standard machinist-style bench vise jaws. Both jaws are made from hardened steel. The machinist jaws are a serrated finish for better grip, and both sets of jaws are replaceable. So if you beat this up a little, no worries, simply pop off the old ones and install some fresh jaws. Lastly, you get a nice little anvil area on the back of this unit. It also has an interlocking swivel base with 360-degree rotation. Great for adjusting the vise depending on the project you are working on or the part that's in your vise. Once you get it in the desired location, you can secure it using the 2 lockdowns on the base. On the front, you get a nice no-pinch screw handle with 2 rubber grommets that avoid the handle from sliding into unwanted positions. Now, something to keep in mind is we offer several families of combination vices. This in front of me is considered medium duty, so great for general service or maintenance, but not the heavy-duty counterparts such as the 31, 32, 33, or 34C heavy-duty combo vices we also offer. For more information on this vise or any other vices we offer, click the link in the description or at the end of this video.